Children. Today I am going to continue the lesson The Tattered Blanket. So in the last lesson we have studied about the characters Amma, Gopi and Kamala. So finally after 5 years Gopi has come to visit Amma, which was not a right thing. After 5 years could we be without seeing our parents for 5 years, children? No. Without writing letters, without any contacts, 5 years was not an ordinary number there. So here, when he came, Kamala was constantly asking Gopi what was the reason he has come here after 5 years. The only thing he was telling was, no, I was very busy with my work because I am a government officer. I am very busy in Delhi, so I was unable to come. But Kamala was continuously asking the same question, and finally Gopi have given the answer like, I have come here to sell the share of the land of my property and to get some money, because Delhi is very expensive. Here why he has come here to sell his share of property. After selling the property, nothing will be left, no relationship will be there. He can sell that share of property and he can get the money, and by that he can go for, and we can't expect when he comes back. And already Amma was 83 years old. We don't know for how long she can survive also. So in this way, Kamala had come to conclusion that Gopi has come only to sell his property but not to see Amma. And Gopi began to answer that even Amma had no memory loss and she is not remembering me. Kamala began to answer that even you have forgotten Amma. So forgetting mother was not a right thing, no children. So you have forgotten Amma, and she is blessed that she has lost her memory. Otherwise she would have cried for the things whatever you have did. So in this way the conversation was going on between the Kamala and the Gopi. And finally Kamala began to answer that, okay, you sell your property and take all the things. Why? Because you are not interested upon to look after the Amma. And finally what had happened is, he is ready to leave the Amma and sister Kamala, who was a widow, and he wanted to go there, and he wanted to lead a happy life with his wife and children. So when this thing was going on there, finally here I have mentioned the blanket. The Amma wanted red blanket from the sun. So here blanket represents the sun's love, the warmth of the sun's love, because their blanket means not only we have to what we use to protect ourselves, but here blanket in sense it is the love, the affection which was given by the Gopi when he went to Chennai. Now, what had happened is the tattered blanket. Tattered means I already told you that it was torn. Here the tattered blanket what the Amma was having represents the son's love, which was nothing there. So the son don't have any love towards the Amma. It represents the pain of the mother for the love of the son. And here finally the lesson tells us about the wounded feelings of the womanhood. Womanhood here means the feelings of both Amma as well as Kamala. We have to look after our family first, because family plays an important role. I already told you in the introduction also. Here Gopi has lost the ethics of looking after the family, as well as especially the Amma, who was 83 years old, and the sister, widowed sister. So never we should ignore the family, and that is the thing happened in the case of Amma.